I'm Scott McGregor, founder of SoundFit 3DWares. In the next few minutes, I'd like to open your eyes to how you can talk to your customers and tell them about how Autodesk's new products can create entirely new business opportunities for them, making entirely new product lines possible, and change the way the world does manufacturing through mass customization and by blowing existing business processes to bits. And at the end of this week, you'll walk away with your own example of a custom product enabled by these new processes. Custom fit businesses have traditionally had complex, expensive, and slow supply chains. First, you have to capture the custom item you're fitting. The mold needs to be sent to a centralized factory a long way away. The factory has an expensive receiving department that unpacks all the molds and scans them before they can be manufactured. Then they have to ship them all the way back to the point of sale before you can wear them. This costly process can take a week or more. The combination of high cost and slow turnaround means that only high-priced products are custom made, and custom products are usually only adopted when custom characteristics are necessary for use. So traditional custom fit ear tips were only made for hearing aids that cost thousands of dollars. Meanwhile, consumer music and communication headsets that only cost tens of dollars have been stuck with mass-manufactured, one-size earpieces that generate a litany of complaints about ill fit. But just as we saw with one-hour mall opticians, point-of-sale manufacturing changes adoption patterns and creates new business opportunities. Thanks to our partnership with Autodesk Technology, new business opportunities have been created for 5 companies around the world: SoundFit, PCL, Minerva Labs, Mind and Matter, and Plantronics. Together we can blow to bits the complicated supply chain and replace it with a much simpler value chain, eliminating many time-consuming, expensive, and tedious tasks, and reducing total turnaround time from weeks to hours. Instead of putting molds in a box for shipping, our point-of-sales partners just need to put them in our scanner and press the scan button. We capture the images and send those images to ReCap to create a capture model of the ear geometry. Some CAD work is needed to convert this model of the shape captured into a print model of the fitting device that we're going to build. Our cloud-based strategy means that it's easy to send the model directly to a 3D printer at the point of sale, eliminating all shipping. It also means that we don't need to do the CAD work at a central factory location, but we can ship the bits halfway around the world to get the models completed quickly and cheaply. In fact, we are doing this right now, shipping your ear geometries halfway around the world to our partner in the UK to take advantage of time zone differences and compress total turnaround time into a single day. Minerva can do the necessary CAD modeling during our early morning hours before Mind to Matter's manufacturing staff starts work tomorrow morning. This approach isn't limited to custom fit earpieces like the ones we are making for you. When eyeglass lenses had to be made at distant factories and took 2 weeks, many people made do with poor prescriptions. But with 1 hour manufacturing in convenient point-of-sale locations, eyewear has become a fashion business. Many other custom manufacturing businesses are going to be created in the next few years. Products will be made to perfectly fit your ears, eyes, mouth, hands, feet, and limbs. Capture, reproduction, and replacement of one-of-a-kind architectural products are happening, and copies of unique scientific artifacts mean that scientists and archaeologists around the world can simultaneously study details of rare artifacts. These are emerging high-margin businesses that you can open for your customers. The virtues of mass production have driven the industrial economy for 200 years. It's pushed us towards ever more centralized manufacturing and even offshore manufacturing, so that shipping and inventory costs have become an ever larger proportion of the product costs as manufacturing costs decline. We've seen hidden long-term shipping turnarounds with ever larger centralized warehouse and dropship locations. These cost efficiencies have caused consumers to adopt standardized mass manufactured products that don't fit. And when custom manufacturing is required, they suffer slow turnaround and high costs. Point of sale manufacturing cost structure changes that, eliminating the shipping costs and inventory, and allowing us to ship bits at the speed of light and for pennies instead of shipping boxes. Today, this is happening with small, simple products like earpieces, but as networks of local and regional 3D printing service bureaus pop up, you will see many more businesses disrupting the old industrial business models. Autodesk reality capture products are enabling this revolution. The cloud computing model makes it easy for us to send bits from anywhere in the world to anywhere in the world. It allows us to move computationally expensive processes from desktops where they may sit idle to the lowest cost shared location in the cloud. Your versatile API enables tight control of settings and enables us to provide more than just image information, which has boosted our resolution and accuracy. SoundFit and our partners are glad to be using the Autodesk Cloud ecosystem. We think that when your customers understand the new business opportunities these technologies provide, they will too. I now have just a few minutes to take any questions.